lovelies, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we are going to be decorating the house and cleaning the house for Christmas. This video is really late getting out here, but finally at it. I've had this on my camera for maybe about a week now. It's 2 days of me cleaning, so you'll see me in two different Christmas shirts. But yeah, let's get on into cleaning and decorating. And some of my longtime subscribers will notice I got my hair cut. Finally, it's been long overdue. Oh, I'm so happy with it. My hair was just looking so damaged and gross the longer it got. So it was in dire need of a haircut, or of a cut. But yeah, totally happy with it. Love the cut, and yeah.
Among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new, still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all. I built myself a new life from the ground up. A beautiful wife, 2 kids, and a dog pup. Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near or afar, outside my door or in some airport bar, I still wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you.
So this table was actually in my husband's gaming room, but it was actually my grandparents on my dad's side. It was actually their table, but my grandma gave it to me like some years ago. It's definitely been at least 10 years ago, but I've always loved this table. It's just such an antique and it's just so pretty, so I'm glad I finally got to bring it out to the living room. And this is where it's going to stay because I like how it looks out here. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that little tidbit. I love this table, just like I love my grandparents.
The merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa.
This little carousel thing my husband found for Melissa while we were at Walmart one day. And then most of the things, this tier tray is from Target, but then most of the things that I put on here I got from Hobby Lobby. The beads I think I ordered from Amazon, and that little light up tree thing I know is from the Dollar Tree. Same with the sled. But yeah, I just thought this was super cute. I was excited to decorate this tray with all kinds of Christmas decorations. And then these little houses belong to my grandma, so I'm happy to have these. This glass nativity scene my mom gave to me. So I don't know where she got it from, but I just think it's so cute and pretty.
And follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet.
This sign, I know I got it from Kroger, but I don't know if it was last year or the year before. But then I got this Merry Christmas sign from Dollar Tree. I think maybe also last year or the year before. I can't remember.
And later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah. A Merry Christmas Day. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day.
Absolutely love these pharmacy crew shirts that my boss got us all up at work. I just think they're so cute.
Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. Memories of flickering shadows, cold nights, hearing the wind blows the snowflakes, reminds me of something gone. Send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So these lights are up here right now because the other night I actually tried putting these lights up, but then ran out of tape halfway through, so I got frustrated, just left it the way it was. I'm like, meh, whatever. But yeah, just thought I'd share that with you. That way you're like, why are these lights already halfway up? But yeah, that is the reason why. But I got some more tape, so I'm gonna finish off framing these mirrors.
All the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah.
Then after that part of the video, there was one other decoration that I picked up that I decided to insert the clip in here. And then I'm just going to show you some of the outdoor decorations as well.
Merry Christmas, everybody. everybody's sleeping.
Alright, and with that, that is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed decorating and cleaning with me. And if this is your first time here, I hope you will think about joining my little YouTube family and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, please hit that like button also down below. But with that, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys.
We're staying warm, and the star will always shine. It's the season for all time, walking